सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटांसून वी आर सपोर्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कॉलेजेस, स्पेशली when it comes to technology. So science, finally कितें, science is in a scientific way we need to bring innovative ideas and technology add करून तेचेर finally we have to come out with a solution to some problems which a lot of areas in Goa we are facing. Now a good initiative by Agnel Institute of Engineering, that is Asagaon, तेणी बरे इनिशिएटीव घेतलेली आहा आनी तेणी एक नाइस a small machine केल्लें आहा तयार which collects waste from the beach, whether they are plastic bags, whether they are straws, whether they are bottles, plastic bottles जावं आनी कसले. So it's a good innovation. So it is opening up the minds of a lot of youth in Goa who are not engineering savvy, means they are not engineering students but they are other students, but they can see that Goa and Goans and the Goan boys and girls can invent machines which manually जे आमी काम करूंक शकता, जे एक वरान हे मशीन 10 मिनटांनी करूंक शकता. So which saves a lot of manpower, and technology is doing this work in so small time, like a limited time period. And I think we need to support this young youth. And as a science and technology minister, if any projects come to me like this, I will even personally support them under corporate social responsibility. I have a lot of friend circle who are big businessmen, and they will support such an initiative of any group of boys and girls who wants to do innovative projects in Goa, who want to do new inventions. We have to see how Goa can progress, how Goans can adopt technology. So adopting technology which is not yet come in the market also, or which can be a new technology for Goa, especially for our small state where we also have to take care of the environment, the ecology, and as far as the financial implication is concerned. So if some things can be new things can be innovated by our students, definitely we will adopt it under science and technology, and we will make the concerned departments to see that that particular machine or whatever is being made can be put to use in some parts of Goa.